There are lots of challenges waiting for us in our life journey. We need a lot of help to break through, grow, and move forward, healing our wounds. Since 1974, Motex Healthcare Group has always been a solid backing and gentle strength in the medical field, with our innovative technology and high-quality standards to satisfy the ever-changing needs of medical workers. We always adhere to protect your health. Motex Healthcare Group owns over 50 patents globally and has won more than 20 awards through interfield cooperation and innovative marketing. Motex Healthcare Group provides service to the international market, not only because of the continuous innovation, energy of research and development, but also see every need with our heart. We take care of your health to be the best protector for you and work hard for a better future.